got a 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 with the 6.0 Vortec. Now this thing's always used a little bit of coolant with no obvious signs of leaks or anything like that. Well, here lately it was getting a little worse and using more. So pull the inner fender out to look around, and you can see back here where it was running down. And of course you can't see anything really from underneath. But after doing a little digging, that damn head bolt is out. Now this truck's never been apart or anything like that. It's had a rough life, but I don't know if that's something that came like that from factory. Yeah, you can see it right there. So yeah, if you got a 6-liter with just coolant vanishing, basically, it's like I said, most of the time it would run down that hot engine and just steam off and you'd never see it. But I don't know. Something to check.